Minar-e-Pakistan, a towering symbol of independence and cultural heritage, is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the essence of Pakistan. Located in the bustling city of Lahore, this historic monument stands at 60 meters tall and offers breathtaking views of the city and its surroundings. Built to commemorate the Lahore Resolution of 1940, which marked the beginning of the independence movement for the creation of Pakistan, Minar-e-Pakistan stands as a proud testament to the country's rich history and heritage. The tower is designed in a unique blend of Mughal and modern architectural styles, making it a truly unique landmark that showcases the country's cultural diversity. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower and take in the panoramic views of Lahore, while learning about the history of the independence movement and the significance of Minar-e-Pakistan. The monument is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, adding to its serene and peaceful atmosphere. In addition to its historical significance, Minar-e-Pakistan is also a popular tourist destination for locals and visitors alike. The tower is located in the heart of Lahore and is easily accessible by car, bus, or taxi. Visitors can also enjoy nearby attractions such as the Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and the Lahore Museum, making it an ideal destination for those looking to experience the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. Minar-e-Pakistan is more than just a landmark, it is a symbol of hope, freedom, and independence. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by the founding fathers of Pakistan, and is a testament to the country's strength and resilience. Whether you are a history buff, a culture lover, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, Minar-e-Pakistan is the perfect destination for you. So why wait? Plan your visit today and immerse yourself in the history and beauty of this iconic landmark. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you can find such good and unique videos regularly. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you can find such good and unique videos regularly. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you can find such good and unique videos regularly.